Welcome to CIS 179. This is Datacom 1. In Datacom 2 we get hands-on experience, but in Datacom 1 we get general overview of networking, kind of learn what networks look like and some of the parts of them. Why should we study networking? Well, look at these statistics. In 2019, about 4.3 billion users were online. We're talking about on the internet. About 56% of the world's population on the internet. 3.5 billion. That's about 50, a little 49 or so percent of the world's population is using social media. 3.4 billion, again, 48, 49%, somewhere in there, are using social media on their phones. This really speaks to the importance of phones today and how they have just invaded our lives and our society. 50% of internet users are in the Asian continent. That's pretty surprising. And only 7% in North America. So that includes the United States and Canada. Only 7%. You would think, hey, we invented the internet in America, so shouldn't the greatest number of users be here? No, much larger population of users in the Asian continent. 89.4%, nearly 90% of the U.S. population. Now, we're talking not the world now, but just the U.S. population are on the internet. So we're getting close to 100% saturation. 80% of Americans have made an online purchase this month. 8 out of 10 people that you talk to are making purchases online every month. 96%. Now, we're assuming, of course, that these are purchasing adults, not children. 96% of Americans have made purchases online in their lifetime. So that's pretty close to saturation. That's pretty close to 100% of adults are making purchases online. 40% of all purchases in America are made online. So that's bad news for the brick and mortar stores. 40%. That is interesting that 60% of purchases are still made at stores, but 40% online, and 44% of purchases in America, I should say, are on Amazon. Wow, Amazon is huge. 44% of all purchases online are from Amazon. If you want to sell something, get on Amazon. That's kind of the message I get there. Wow, with this kind of saturation, we really need to study networking. And it also speaks to why, because, hey, there are going to be jobs in this field, a lot of jobs in this field. All right, thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.